Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Imam Mehdi spoke at the time of his birth and raised his hands towards the sky and prayed. Angels descended from heaven. When this news was given to Imam Hasan Askari, he smiled and said,
"Angels of heaven came to visit my son. They will be with him at the time of his reappearance."
One of the angels named Rizwan bathed the newborn with the water of paradise. Lady Hakima took him in her arms. She saw this Quranic verse written on the right arm of Imam Mehdi, that
"Truth has come and falsehood has ended."
Shortly afterwards, Imam Hasan Askari called out,
"O aunt, bring my son to me."
She brought the Imam to Imam Hasan Askari. Imam Askari took the child in his arms. He gave a zan in his right ear and said a kama in his left ear, and by the command of Allah, he named him after the last prophet. There are other names of Imam like Hujjat, Sahib al-Zaman, Qaim and Mehdi. His most famous name is Mehdi. Mehdi means the one whom Allah has guided so that he may guide the people to the right path. Imam Hasan Askari kissed his son's hand and face and said,
"Son, read what has been revealed to the prophets."
Imam Mehdi started reading all the holy books. Except for your aunt Lady Hakima and some servants and lovers, no one knew about the birth of Imam. God commanded the angels to take the Imam to heaven. The angels took the Imam to the highest place where Allah said to him,
"Blessings be upon you, O my servant. I have chosen you to guide people towards me. I swear by you that I will guide my servants and punish the unjust. O angels, take him to his father. And tell him that Mehdi is under the protection of Allah, until I pass the truth through his hands and destroy the falsehood."
The angels brought the Imam back to the house of Imam Hasan Askari.